Today we're going to be discussing HPB, or High Performance Blockchain, a project which is combining software and hardware to take blockchain to the next level. Before we get into just what makes HPB stand out and just what they are trying to do with their hardware, just a quick reminder, as always, to do your own research before investing your own money into any cryptocurrency. And a big thank you to the guys over at HPB for supporting the channel by sponsoring today's video. So, we all know about the transaction throughput problem in blockchain. Blockchains have struggled to meet the demand that the real world will put on the chains. Most chains have chosen to only solve this problem using software or by trading off centralization to have a very limited number of nodes. But High Performance Blockchain is taking a different approach. They have developed hardware specifically designed to run blockchain in order to optimize the speed of the chain, thus creating a permissionless, open source blockchain that has massive scalability, but which sacrifices nothing in terms of security. And I want to underline here that these machines, they're not miners like with Bitcoin, whose purpose is to solve random equations. These are specifically designed to run blockchain. But in the same way that ASICs shook up crypto mining and GPUs changed the gaming world, HPB is going to change blockchain with their hardware. And actually, High Performance Blockchain is not alone in this task. Amazon and Ethereum recently announced a competition to develop a blockchain hardware solution to help optimize blockchain usefulness. But in this regard, High Performance Blockchain already has a 2-year head start. But it really does underline that hardware solutions are incredibly important, and that instead of being an outlier, High Performance Blockchain has actually been ahead of the curve. They are calling this the blockchain offload engine, which essentially combines the custom hardware with high performance software. The blockchain offload engine is a highly compatible, customized hardware chipset, which has the ability to encrypt data, randomize block structures, increase throughput, enhance security, and to support encrypted virtual machines, which also has an embedded module called the Ecliptic Curve Digital Signature Algorithm. This is something that performs signature verifications at a very high rate and enables the network to be able to process thousands of signatures per second. The BOE also has an inbuilt hardware random number generator. This essentially protects transactions and increases security. And any bad actors on the network wanting to do any kind of malicious actions would have to get past both the software elements of the blockchain as well as the hardware elements of the blockchain, thus making the network more secure. Also, all high-performance blockchain nodes are obligated to use the BOE hardware. Now, this is important because it means they can't simply use services like Amazon Web Services, like some blockchains have been doing, and thus High Performance Blockchain maintains a high level of decentralization. Thanks to this architecture with the current node network, HPB is currently rocking 5,000 transactions per second globally and 10,000 transactions per second possible inside of China. Oh, and HPB provides each hardware chipset for free to prospective node holders. They do not charge anything for these devices. It is distributed 100% free to nodes, and it is, of course, open source. HPB also supports what is called the General Virtual Machine Mechanism, which supports code from other blockchains at the moment. Both the Neo Virtual Machine and the Ethereum Virtual Machine are supported, thus providing greater flexibility for developers. Thus, dApps on either Ethereum or Neo can actually easily talk to HPB. And if needed, then High Performance Blockchain can also add in new virtual machines from other chains in the future. High Performance Blockchain also supports side chains and is programming language agnostic, which means the platform is highly accessible to a wide range of developers. By the way, the HPB mainnet has been running since September 2018. which, by the way, was released months ahead of schedule, which is pretty refreshing in the crypto space. The HPB coin is the oil of the entire ecosystem, where it is used for doing things like issuing smart contracts, paying gas fees for transactions, raising funds with ICOs, voting for nodes, and HPB is required to be held by nodes, thus increasing their block rewards and their chances of being an HP node or a high performance node. High performance blockchain will also be offering blockchain as a service with the intention of providing end-to-end solutions for businesses who are wanting to get into blockchain. And also, high performance blockchain will be providing important middleware solutions, kind of along the lines of what Chainlink is doing, by being the connecting bridge that enables the easy deployment of plug-and-play dApps with a variety of use cases across a wide range of industries like food and manufacturing and big data. High Performance Blockchain also has some amazing partners already that they are working with. In fact, more than 70 different partnerships and dApps and other forms of business relationships already exist, which is very substantial. The biggest of these is Union Pay Smart, which is China's one and only interbank network that links all ATMs of all banks throughout the country. In terms of total value of transactions, it is the largest card payment company, yes, even ahead of Visa and MasterCard in the world, with a transaction value of nearly $15 trillion. It's a lot of money. Back in 2017. Now, HPB is working with UnionPay to develop a dApp for UnionPay Smart focused on big data processing. The dApp will enable different users, including banking clients, financial institutions, and UnionPay, of course, to conveniently interact and exchange data. Putting it all on the blockchain is a massive improvement in terms of efficiency and security of that data. And while we are discussing UnionPay, Xiaoming Wang, the founder of HPV, who already has over 10 years of experience in finance and big data, was actually one of the founders of UnionPay Smart. Then we have the next big partner, which is Shanghai Yuan, and there are millions of users that they are bringing along with them, where they'll be creating in-game currencies which will be easily movable across different gaming worlds. Shanghai Yuan is a massive partner because it is paving the way for widespread crypto adoption by the customers of some of China's biggest brands, such as China Telecom, China Mobile, JD.com, which is the second largest Chinese e-commerce company, and many more besides that. This all linked HPB to a powerful network of players within China. Shanghai Yuan mobile games will be connected with the HPB wallet, and this will, of course, substantially expand the ecosystem for HPB and allow a broader number of applications and companies to be able to use HPB coins and to gain the benefits of blockchain. Then there is the IFC SME Finance Forum, and actually HPB is the only blockchain company with a seat at the table on this forum. And this relationship gives HPB access to organizations like the World Economic Forum, the G20, the OECD, APEC, and AFI, which basically gives high-performance blockchain unprecedented access to global policymakers and actually builds on earlier links with policymakers, since the founder, Xiaoming Wang, has been a very influential person in the Chinese blockchain scene for quite a while. And it also gives HPB sweeping access to a huge range of global small to medium-sized businesses, all of which might benefit from blockchain. Then there is China Electronics, with whom HPB is exploring how it can develop smart cities and industrial projects and ecological parks and different comprehensive parks. And that's just the tip of the iceberg, guys. Overall, the team has been working very hard on expanding their market share in Asia with regular outreach programs happening all across the continent, but particularly focusing on Korea and Indonesia and Malaysia and, of course, the Chinese market. Anyway, guys, HPB is one of the projects that has come out of the bear market very strongly with a highly functional blockchain and a growing list of influential and strong partners. Now, if you want to learn more about high performance blockchain or maybe join the community or go over and ask the community some questions, then there'll be some links down below in the description where you can learn some more information about high performance blockchain and what they're doing. Anyway, guys, just my 2 Satoshis on high performance blockchain. I hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know what you think about HPB down below in the comment section. If you did enjoy today's video, hit that thumbs up button. And of course, if you are new around here, remember to subscribe to the channel or click that notification bell to know when I put out a new video. Long live the blockchain, and peace out till next time.